शहर की रात और मैं नाशाद नाकारा फिरूं, जगमगाती जागती सड़कों पे आवारा फिरूं। गैर की बस्ती है, कब तक दर बदर मारा फिरूं। ऐ गमे दिल क्या करूं, ऐ वहशते दिल क्या करूं। Asrarul Haq Majaz. He says, it's a night in the city, and here I am, dejected and aimless. The streets are brightly lit and full of life, and I am roaming around like a vagabond. It's a foreign land. How long do I keep going from one door to another? Oh, my sad heart, what do I do? Oh, my scared, lonely, and dejected heart, what do I do? Majaz Laknavi wrote these lines, wrote this nazm when he first came to Bombay, broken-hearted and in search of work. See how beautifully he describes his own emotions and the city of Bombay, full of life, full of light. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author, and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Allah Hafiz.